Good morning, day 2 here from Pentrigona in Wales. And yes, we're just going on as well as my clothes because it's cold. I come out really early this morning. I'll show you now because it's only the Welsh conditions here that really extremely cold. I'm trying to get some nice fog shots. I mean, it's really foggy. I come out initially for sunset. Sunrise photos, but that ain't happening in this conditions, no way. It's extremely foggy here, so hopefully get some nice photos. Try to anyway. We can see what we can get. So yeah, gonna try see if I can get some morning long exposures. I mean, there's hardly zero activity on the bird feeders that were in first video of yesterday, and so I'm not going to attempt many of those, but yeah, so fingers crossed we should get something nice. Okay, so the idea I was having with this house, kids outdoor playhouse thing, whatever you call them, is obviously this is quite set out from the fog and then the background fogs, so I had to go with some long exposure, and I'm thinking if I Lightroom them out and edit them out a bit, we could get something real nice. This is the actual scene here. If you can see it there, that's the photo. That's the photo there. I really think I could get something nice. Maybe introduce some filters on Lightroom and see if we can get, or I might go down and get some, just take some photos of the fog. I might copy out some of this fog area. So this fog area around here, I might on Photoshop copy that out and bring it in front of the house here. But I don't know, I'll have to play around. I'm not good with Photoshop, so if I can't do it I won't upload it, but we'll give it a go and see what we can get. But I think I'm going to go back inside because it's really cold out here this morning. So yeah, got some nice ones. I might wander down there a bit later on and see what we can get, but for now I think that's about it. Okay, so I'm back out now, bearing the cold, my super low tripod, bearing the cold, to come back out, see if we can get some bird shots on this one. Haven't really had much so far. I've been out here probably 15-20 minutes now and I haven't had a lot, but I know what's going to happen. I've had a lot of birds, but there you go. Okay, so we're getting a few birds coming up to the feeder. I've moved position to where I said I was going to move, further down a little bit. But I'll show you here. I've got my vlogging phone there on record with the microphone going up to the feeder. I'm hoping I'm going to get a bird land on the feeder so we can get some close. Okay, so yeah, as you saw there, I got some good footage. So I decided to leave that camera right there where it was, but over a bigger, or like a longer amount of time. I think it was like 26 minutes. So the next clip up is going to be more of a time lapse. It's going to be obviously played a lot quicker because I don't want you boring you to death for 28 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna have like a speed collection, and I got a lot of birds in this
clip. They were coming and going whilst I was elsewhere. So yeah, so sit back and enjoy the wildlife.